Okay, so to remove the old one, just put it away from the windscreen and squeeze these two pressure points in at the rear. You might need a pair of pliers, but honestly I think it's fine with the fingers. And what you're looking to do is just release the pressure and pivot the windscreen wiper slightly this way, because there's a hook just there holding that last bit of plastic in. So squeeze them in, pivot the windscreen wiper, and then it pulls off nice and simply. And you can see there, that's the hole there where this hook kind of hooks in. So it kind of comes off in this direction. So that's the old one. The new one may not look the same as the old one, and the way to fix that is just to pull this cover off the side here. Just literally pull these apart. That comes off, and the new one will look slightly different. Well, in this case, looks slightly different to the old one, but it will fit. So it goes on the reverse of the old one coming off. You put that bit on first, and then get this bit kind of flush with the rest of the these bits here, kind of flush with the wiper blade, and then squeeze the pressure points at the rear together and push it in like so. And now that's clearly clicked in flush at the rear, that's flush at the front, so you're good to go and return the wiper blade to the windscreen. Let's do the other side. Same again, squeeze the two pressure points in there and then pull it out. And it does come out. A little bit of debris in there which was making it a little harder, but it does come out. Here's the new one, and it's the same deal. It's got this cover on which will have to come off, and it's kind of held on by these two little fulcrum points. So just literally bend it off one side, bend it off the other, and it comes off. And now the new one looks very similar to the old one. Not quite the same, but very similar. However, I believe it will fit. So the way to fit it in, kind of hook that front bit in underneath there first, so get that fully flush first, and then focus on the rear and squeeze those two pressure points in, and then they should then go in snug at the back there. And that's it. It's as simple as that. That's how you change the windscreen wipers on your BMW X1. And make sure it focuses on my face. Can you press it to focus on my face, please, honey? You need to press where my face is.
Yes, I know, honey.
Okay. Is it recording?
Yes.
Bingo bongo. Okay. All right. Oh, for God's sake. I know, boy. It's really annoying when noisy cars come around the corner, isn't it? I know. It's okay. Okay. Ready? Ready? Okay. Are you ready?